Today guys, I will show you how to fix OBS Virtual Camera not working. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open your OBS like me and you will see here Start Virtual Camera. Just go on these settings and you will see here Program Default. Click on it. After that, just open Discord the easy way and go on this gear, move here down to Voice and Video. Scroll here down to Camera and choose OBS Virtual Camera. After you do that, just go here back on OBS and go Start Virtual Camera. Move back here to Discord and you will see Test Video. Click on it. Your virtual camera works. And that's it all guys for this video, how to fix OBS Virtual Camera not working. If you find this guide useful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.